In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch an image in Canva. This is a very quick and simple editing technique, but it's also a useful one when you want to adjust the size of a photo or graphic directly inside your design. If you need an image to fill more space, fit a layout better, or create a slightly different visual effect, stretching it in Canva only takes a few seconds. To get started, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're on the page where the image appears so you can edit it directly. Once your design is open, take a moment to locate the specific image you want to stretch. This could be a photo, an uploaded graphic, or another visual element already placed on your canvas. Next, click on the image you want to stretch. As soon as it's selected, you'll see resize handles appear around it. These handles are the small controls along the edges and corners of the image, and they're what you'll use to adjust its size. Seeing these handles confirms that the image is active and ready to be edited. Now drag one of the side or corner resize handles outward if you want to stretch the image larger. If you want to reduce the stretch or make the image smaller again, drag the handle inward instead. Side handles are especially useful when you want to stretch the image more in one direction, such as making it wider or taller. Corner handles can also be used if you want to change the overall size while adjusting the image visually on the page. Move slowly as you drag so you can control the result more precisely and avoid overstretching the image. When the image reaches the size you want, simply release your mouse. That will apply the new dimensions right away. At this point, you can check how the image looks within the rest of your design and decide whether it fits the layout properly. If needed, you can always click and drag the handles again to fine-tune it until it looks just right. And that's it. That's how to stretch an image in Canva. It's a fast adjustment, but it can make a big difference when you're refining a design and trying to make everything fit neatly on the page.